What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to remove payment methods on your iPhone, and trust me, the process is quite simple. All you just have to do is to head over to your iPhone. Now on your iPhone, there are actually a couple of reasons why you might want to remove a payment method. Take for instance, it has expired or you don't want to be charged for that particular payment method. What you want to do is to simply just open up the App Store on your iPhone, and then once it loads up, go ahead and click on your profile icon, usually at the top right corner. And then go ahead and select your profile icon, which should actually be your first and last name and your email at the bottom. Just select that. Now it is going to take a moment to load. And then once it loads up, just click on the manage payments over here. Give it some few seconds and then you're going to see all of the payment methods on your iPhone. What you want to do next is to just click on the payment method you want to remove. I'll select this one over here because it has actually expired. And then from the bottom, you want to click on the remove payment. Click on remove. Now that is basically how to remove a payment method on your iPhone. If you actually want to go ahead to add another payment method, you want to just click on the add payment method over here and you should be able to add a new payment method to your iPhone. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.